Welcome to this 10-bedroom house for sale in East London Coast Nature Reserve, Amatola Coastal 5275, South Africa for R16 million. This is a 300-hectare fully fenced game farm cattle. There is abundance of water and wildlife. The farm borders very popular game reserve and has 4 homes on the property plus a wedding farm facility being built which is 6 kilometers from Chintsa East.200 Ha game fenced, 10-hectare Kukui, 10-hectare arable, 20-hectare dry lands. Wildlife galore, borehole, huge dam, 8 stock dams, all paddocks have water. Huge sheds, small dairy and cold room. Reservoir and huge conference wedding facility 32 kilometers from Beacon Bay. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.